darlings. Today, Dina Tokio is in the house, stuck in the house, bored in house. So she decided she's gonna make pakoras, and I'm gonna do my mother-in-law proud. She's gonna be so proud, aren't ya? You are. The reason I'm doing pakoras is because the only flour I could get my hands on during the self-isolation period is gram flour. I spent the last half an hour getting the mix ready. I wanted to make vegetable pakoras, but Sid was like, ew. So that's the mini one there, sorry guys. So I just did potato and onion ones.
They look good.
And this is my first time, and I'm just following the recipe from BBC Good Food. During this isolation period, I am turning into a domestic goddess, aren't I, Sid? Does that need to be fried more, do you reckon?
I think it looks alright.
I think my pakoras look a bit healthy.
Is that a healthy pakora?
It looks like it's
Oh, no, that looks like a pakora. What's in there?
Onion, spring onion, red onion, shallot onion.
No, man.
You know what's going to be annoying? I just know the kids aren't going to eat it.
They are going to eat it.
I mean, I can have faith, but I know they're not going to eat it, but it's fine. We just wanted to make it, innit? Problem is, my hands are small, so my pakoras are going to be small. Pakoras are done. What do you think? I'm well proud of myself. Not gonna lie. Right, so everyone's sitting down, having a little afternoon snack. Mama's pakoras. What do you think, Sid?
They're so good.
Are they really?
They're so good.
Mika, you like it? Is it yummy? Hannah likes the crispy bits. Yummy? Nice? They're not spicy. They're not spicy.
Have a million of these.
Well, there's loads, so. Yummy. What, Mika? What is it? We've been having TV all day. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try. See, I like to have my pakoras with some yogurt. Oh, they're a bit bland.
No, they're really nice.
Could do a bit more salt.
They're crispy.
Very crispy. A bit too crispy.
So good, man.
Hey, baby.
Success, Dina.
You might have noticed just now when Mika was eating pakoras that his hair's gone. He's had a haircut. Him and Hannah had a haircut the other day. Me and Sid just lost it basically. And we thought, right, we're cutting the hair. So I only took that much off Hannah's hair though, not too much because she still wants it longish. Sid has wanted to give Mika a mushroom / bowl cut for a long time. So that's what he did. Because normally I don't like cutting my kids' hair. I've got an attachment.
Attachment.
Oh my god, I've got an attachment. Wow.
I think the quarantine has got to a head.
Oh, Sid, that's really short.
No.
Oh my god, are you sure? That's really
that's
short.
a bowl cut.
Oh my god, how do I feel about seeing the back of my son's head? What are you doing?
Cleaning nail polish off my fingers.
Nail polish? Why have you got nail polish on your
Don't act dumb.
While I was working out, guys, Sid let Hannah put makeup on him and nail polish all over him. Daddy-daughter bonding time. Somebody fell asleep on the sofa last night. Who could that be, I wonder? Why, I wonder? Maybe just a PS4, I wonder. It's 7 AM. Mika's doing colour! Colour! I have made myself a fantabulous. That first sip of coffee is the only thing I look forward to every goddamn morning. What are you up to this morning then, Hannah? Hannah's got herself a little makeup kit, a nail polish kit. I gave her some of my makeup. I told her she could do it on her dolls today instead of my face for a change. Very therapeutic.
Could be without you now.
Rice Krispie cakes are in the fridge. I split them in two. Let the kids do sprinkles on that one, and then me and Sid just want plain ones for later, so. I'm taking Hannah out on a little walk. So the government has said that we are allowed to go out for one form of exercise a day, either a walk, bike ride, a run, whatever it is you want to do. But we haven't. The last time we went out was just over a week ago, where we took them to just like a local field where they could run about. So the kids haven't actually been out in 8 days. And I feel like today Hannah needs some. They've been out in the garden, but they haven't been for a walk or anything, so I feel like Hannah just needs that to clear her head a little bit because the tantrums are getting a little bit out of hand.
At the back of our garden.
Yeah.
Growing.
No way.
It was the only pink flower in our garden.
Do you know what kind of flower it was?
What?
I'm asking you, do you know? Do you know what kind?
Pink.
Oh yeah, pink, but like, was it like a rose or?
It was a daisy.
A pink daisy you found? Whoa, that's well cool. So hopefully I'm trying to see if we can find a park next to it.
It was like a purpley pink.
Yeah.
With some green in the middle and some yellow in the middle. And then the stalk, it had a reddy yellow.
Oh.
And the leaves were green.
Yeah.
And the leaves were green.
Oh. Back from our little walk. Did you enjoy the little walk, Hannah?
Yeah.
It was nice, wasn't it?
It was so fun.
Now we're doing a bit of slime play. They're putting these little decorations in their slime, which is always satisfactory. What did you drop, Meeks?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, indeed.
And ice creams, but no butterflies, watermelons. Really nice.
Hannah did me a nice rainbow on the table this morning. A lot of you guys have noticed and mentioned in comments about the scribbles on our table and whether or not we mind. If you have a look, this was from scrubbing. Yes, Mika. Moz the Monster. Okay, Google, play Moz the Monster. Me and Sid decided that we were gonna sand the dining table down anyway when we're ready to set up the house nicely and then paint it. So until then, basically we don't mind them doing whatever they want on the dining table. I know it means I'm gonna have to rediscipline when we have the nice dining table, but should be easy enough. Hello, Chaplin.
Yours, Mika. So cool and squidgy.
You're gonna fall, Chaplin, you're gonna fall, buddy.
Mika, I'll show you. You can put these.
Just stand right there by the radiator. Look.
Why?
Just back a little bit. Okay, turn around. Okay, a little bit closer. Stop. Stop. Okay. All right, please let us know what you're about to do.
I'm making some egg.
What kind of egg, love?
It's a fluffy egg.
Sid's making one of those trendy souffle fluffy eggs. A bit like those souffle coffees that people are making, but this one's egg.
Wibbly bobbly bimbos.
Yeah. Oh my god, that ain't the most perfect pancake looking thing I ever seen. So beautiful. It was huge. So beautiful.
Is it beautiful?
Literally beautiful.
Is it beautiful?
It's actually beautiful. Guys, I'm going to try my pancake now. I just put some salt.
Pancake?
Sorry, we were talking about making fluffy pancakes, which we're going to make later. This whole vlog is literally cooking fluffy shit. What's that? Makeup? It's my elf makeup. Why have you got that?
Dina?
It went a little bit flat.
Yeah, it went flat as well.
After it was fluffy,
It
but
flattened
that's
down, bro.
fine. That's normal. At least we saw it when it was fluffy.
It's just egg, innit?
There's egg. No. But the consistency is so fluffy.
Whoa, let me see that consistency.
Look how fluffy it is.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, let me see that consistency right there.
It's like having egg mousse.
Egg mousse.
I'm not sure what's going on, but the consistency is making me feel a bit yucky today.
Oh, is it?
Last time you made this, I downed it.
Yeah.
Why?
Is the consistency wrong?
No, it's a nice consistency, but it depends if you want egg in that consistency or not.
Let me taste it.
Like the edges are nicer because they're crispier. But right in the middle is just a bit too moussey. Try it, go on. Do you know what I mean?
It's actually perfect.
They don't need this either. It's a lot of simple in the joy. Oh, let's find out where it's coming from. Now when the big light comes on the door. Huh? Hello, is anyone there? That's not That's the
That's Papa, that's Mama, that's Mika, that's me, that's the sun, and that's the sky.
And what about you, Mika?
Mika! Mika, Mika!
I thought I'd show you my cute little quarantine outfit. It's really not, I mean, it's leggings and a sweatshirt. I like me sweatshirt. You know what I find really cute? This is like 4XL and I've just tucked it in so it kind of looks a little cute like this. What do you think? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling like it's cute. And then later on I'll just take this off and wear like a gym top so that I can work out. The kids woke up so early. Guys, I ordered this fake plant from Amazon and it's not really doing it for me. The basket's nice, and these look nice. But this, I don't know what's going on here. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, Mika? You want some cheese? Is anyone else like overly shopping for loungewear and like quarantine outfits during this period to try and make themselves feel better about not getting dressed? Because I am really feeling this tracksuit, Collusion ASOS, unisex one. I think I got this in a medium. I think I got them both in a medium. Or maybe this is a large. Hold on, let me check. I might be lying. Let me just do a little check for y'all. Oh, they're both medium. And I am 5'6" and I weigh about 65 kilos. Just for your reference. I'm really loving the long drawstring feature. Yeah, I'll be wearing this all week. It's one of those days, guys. It's one of those days. What day is it anyway? Who even knows? Why am I even trying to tell you in the vlog? Who cares? It's just quarantine period. Decided to go out for a walk as a family because Mika didn't get to go out yesterday, so we're taking him out today. It's like we've got two dogs or something, isn't it? Walking the children. We're all having an ice lolly, that's the rule, Hannah said. And the red one is for the girls and the green ice lollies are for the boys. We've got them in their Via gear. Do you remember this, guys? So good. They love going in it, and we always put it away and then forget about it and then get it out again and we're like, yeah, it's great. These ice lollies are so tiny, by the way. Look at me, I'm so greedy, I always want more. Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy. Go! Wonder who's going to win the race. Looks like it's going to be Mika. Definitely Mika. Come on, Mika, you can make it.
I have to keep my glitter, that means.
Yeah. Come on, Meeks. Come on, Mika Moo. Phil, Mike, come on.
It's got an empty tank.
So is exercise done for the day?
I haven't worked out in months.
Tired.
I want to sit in the...
What's your superhero name?
Rainbow Star Jewel Power Girl.
Dressing up with our pillows today. If you guys haven't seen, but on Instagram, there's a quarantine pillow challenge. So like, what's your quarantine outfits? Making a dress out of your pillow. I, for one, am here for it. Don't mind these messy space buns, because I just did anything for a picture.
Dina is our one that tells us to save the day.
Deezer is our boss.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Dina.
Why is he a guy?
And Dina said, I have to save the day today. Go through the...
Go save the day! Guys, seeing as this is a heavily cooking vlog, thought I'd show you I made pasta bake situation. It looks disgusting now, but that's because it was delicious. They downed it. There's one ice cream left in the freezer that's meant to be for me, but I can't have it unless I hide from these guys, so I'm just trying to find a time where I can sneak off and have my ice cream.
Rainbow freeze power.
Rainbow freeze, Mika! Ah! Look, you can really see my dress now. Isn't it so stylish? Guys, I'm gonna play with the kids. See, we're doing a bunch of housework today, but I thought the vlog's long enough, so I'm gonna end it here. And I will see you on my next vlog. Let me know if there's anything you want to see in particular, because I'm literally just doing family life around the house for now, until we get a routine or anything. So yeah, enjoy. See you on the next vlog. Stay safe. Bye. Guys, I've stuck a cartoon on for them. And I've got my ice cream. And I'm legit gonna hide in their tent, because they won't even know. They won't even realise that I'm here. Hold on, I've got to tuck my legs in. I'm just gonna sit here and have the ice cream. In peace. Because I don't want to share it. We're waiting for 3 days to eat this. It's the last one. All for me.